Here I'm performing bench supported dumbbell rows. As you can see my setup, I've put one knee on the bench and the other leg that is in that same plane but wide away, so this allows me to have a good base of support. As you can see here, I'm allowing my elbow to go all the way up. The cue is elbow towards my waist. And one more thing is not to overshoot the elbow past the waist, but to only pull it towards the waist and then allow it to go all the way back down. You can see I've kept my pelvis stable. I do not allow too much rotation in my body. My body is roughly parallel to the floor. My pelvis does not rotate about. And all I'm doing is allowing that arm to go straight back down and allowing my lats to extend and stretch ever so slightly. So you can see that my upper body is just rotating just a little bit so that the lats get stretched, but I have kept my pelvis and my body stable throughout the entire movement. So the main thing in setup is one knee is on the bench. Two, I have allowed my other leg to have a good and wide base of support. Three, my other arm is well positioned to anchor myself onto the bench. I'm allowing my arm that is holding the dumbbell to stretch all the way to the bottom, but not allowing my pelvis to rotate and keeping my body roughly parallel to the floor and not rotating with it, but rather allowing just that slight movement to allow that stretch in the lats by allowing the arms to go to go all the way down and allowing some movement or rotation in the upper body, but not excessively that my pelvis and lower body or lower lumbar or lower spine rotates as well. Okay, so the main thing is that we want to have a good stretch at the bottom, and I cue the elbows to come straight back towards my waist without overshooting and going all the way up.